Unlocking the meaning of sketch out the plan. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Sketch out the plan. Understanding phrases like these can really boost your fluency and make you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and unpack what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. When we talk about sketching out the plan, we're referring to the process of creating a preliminary or rough outline of a plan or idea. It's like drawing a simple picture or outline of what you intend to do before filling in all the details. This phrase can be used in both professional settings, like in business meetings, and personal scenarios, like planning a trip. The word sketch originally comes from the world of art, where it means to draw a quick, informal picture. But in this phrase, it's used metaphorically to talk about laying out the basic framework or structure of something that's being planned. To really grasp how to use sketch out the plan, let's look at some examples. In a business context, before we present our project to the board, let's sketch out the plan and ensure all team members are on the same page. While planning an event, we've got a lot of ideas for the wedding. So let's sketch out the plan for the day to see how everything fits together. In personal projects, I'm thinking of building a new bookshelf this weekend. I'll sketch out the plan tonight so I can start first thing in the morning. These examples show that sketching out the plan is all about creating a basic outline before diving into the specifics. Understanding and using the phrase, sketch out the plan, can be incredibly useful for several reasons. It highlights the importance of preparation. Before taking on a complex task or project, it's beneficial to have a clear, albeit rough, outline of what needs to be done. It emphasizes flexibility. A sketch is not final. It's a starting point that allows for changes and refinements as you gather more information or as circumstances change. It's a collaborative tool. Sketching out the plan is often a shared step, inviting input from others and building a mutual understanding of the project at hand. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, sketch out the plan. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and shown you how it can be a powerful part of your English communication toolkit. Remember, mastering phrases like these can make a big difference in how confidently and effectively you communicate in English. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content soon. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.